How to convert your Amazon account to business account. Hi everybody, welcome back to another video. In this video, we're gonna learn how we can convert the Amazon account to business account. So without any delay, let's begin with the video. But before beginning, I want you to make sure to hit that like, share, and subscribe icon. So let's begin. So in order to convert your Amazon personal account to a business account, you can follow some of the steps that I'm showing on my screen right now. The number one step is sign in to your personal Amazon account. You may just go to amazon.com in your laptop or your mobile device on your browser, or you may just download the Amazon application onto your device. After that, sign in into your personal account using your login details. After that, select account and list menu from the top. Then you need to select the register for a business account, and you need to provide a business email address of your business. Then you need to complete the authentication process and provide your business details. Go on with the process, fill up the forms and everything. After that, wait for your account to be verified. But before that, there are some things that you need to keep in mind. If you are using an email address that's already associated with an Amazon account, Amazon will prompt you to convert your existing account. Just convert your existing account. You can create a new account using a new email address. When choosing an email address, make sure it's one you're happy to associate with your business account, and your personal information will be visible to administrator in the business account. So therefore, choose your accounts wisely. After that, Amazon Business is available in the United States, Canada, and this following countries. So you are only allowed to make your business in these countries like United States, Canada, Mexico, France, Italy, Spain, United Kingdom, Germany, Japan, and India. And you can also switch between your Amazon business account and personal account by selecting the menu on the top left of your screen after your account has been converted. Then select switch account, select the account, switch the account you wish to sign in. So therefore, just follow this method and you should be able to convert your Amazon personal account to a business account. So therefore, I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.